How to fix the video shattering and lagging issues in Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to my another tutorial. Today, I am going to teach you a few solutions to your video shattering and lagging issues in Windows. So first of all, go to the search bar and open Troubleshoot Settings. Then go to Additional Troubleshooter, click on the video playback and run the troubleshooter. Next, update your graphics driver. And the next thing you can do is modify your video playback settings. So go to your settings, click on Apps, select Video Playback option, and turn off the option as automatically process video to enhance it. But go ahead and tick on I prefer video to play at lower resolution. Also optimize the battery life and again tick on I prefer video to play at low resolution when on battery. This is how you can fix your video shattering and lagging issues in Windows. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.